Hi dears, welcome back to our maths class. Today we are going to learn 7 days of week. My dears, do you know how many days are there in a week? Yes, there are 7 days in a week. My dears, do you know which day is the first day of the week? Yes, Sunday. What is the spelling of Sunday? Come on, let's say S-U-N-D-A-Y. My dears, do you know which day is the second day of the week? Yes, Monday. What is the spelling of Monday? Come on, let's say M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. My dears, come on, let's say which day is the third day of the week? Yes, Tuesday. What is the spelling of Tuesday? T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. My dears, which day is the fourth day of the week? Do you know? Yes, Wednesday. What is the spelling of Wednesday? W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday. See dears, do you know which day is the fifth day of the week? Yes, Thursday. What is the spelling of Thursday? Come on, let's say T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday. My dears, come on, let's say which day is the sixth day of the week? Yes, Friday. What is the spelling of Friday? Come on, let's say F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday. My dears, do you know which day is the seventh day of the week? Yes, Saturday. Come on, let's say the spelling of Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday. My dears, come on, let's do an activity. Let's find out how many days are there in a week. There are 7 days in a week. Which is the first day? Yes, Sunday. Which is the last day? Yes, Saturday is the last day of the week. My dears, shall we move to next activity? At what time? Here we have to find at what time these activities happen. In the morning or in the evening? Going to school. At what time do we go to school? In the morning or in the evening? Yes, morning. See the next one. The sun setting. Do you know at what time sun sets in the morning or in the evening? Yes, evening. See the third one. Birds returning to nest. Do you know at what time birds returning to nest? In the morning or in the evening? Yes, evening. See the fourth one. Getting the newspaper. My dears, at what time do you get your newspaper? In the morning or in the evening? Yes, morning. See the fifth one. End of school. At what time the school ends? In the morning or in the evening? Yes, evening. See the last one. Eating lunch. My dears, at what time do you eat your lunch? Morning or noon? Yes, noon. We eat our lunch at noon. I hope you all enjoyed the class. Thank you.